going to Niagara today, and we are on our way to
the middle lane to stay on Ontario 409 West.
the airport because we're gonna pick up Jamie, and we're so excited. Who? Who are we going to pick up? Tita Jamie. See you later. Jamie's here. Jamie. Sus, may ano. Hello!
Bagahe.
Who's there? Who's there? Who's that?
Who am I? I'm your real mother.
Who's here? Woo! In the house.
Can you see me?
Okay. Can you see Georgina? Wow.
ASAP.
Sumatingin sa akin ito katabi ko.
Who's that? ASAP.
Find that place.
Are you top na?
McDonald's near me.
Okay, later, guys.
Pusok.
Factory?
That's why every driver takes charge of them. We're almost there.
Onto Ferry Street. Signs for Clifton Hill.
Hilton Hotel. Ay, ito ba yun?
Yeah.
B1.
Yeah, it's done.
It's press the blue one.
The Boo.
Yeah, it is. Okay, go inside. Inside, go. Yes.
Hindi ba kailangan itap yung card?
Usually pag luma.
Okay, sige.
Georgina, kami naman yung videohan mo, hindi yung numbers.
Mimi!
Ano natin sa Accenture? 25 yun.
Hindi ko maalala. Na, take a video of us na.
Press it.
ASAP.
Oh, wow. Woo.
Here?
Come on.
Who wants to open?
Me. Take it. Like it.
Woo. Hey.
Like literally. Whoa.
Woo.
Oh my God! We put us this here. We put us this here.
Yeah, okay. Very good.
Woo. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Look at that big and bathtub.
Check mo nga.
Ay, wow. Ay, wow.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Tamaan. Natawa.
Sigaw lang kayo si Bro.
Right there.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Tamaan pa dito eh.
Why?
Ay, wow.
I love it so much.
I know, right? Yay! It's so rainy.
Yes, ready, Mr. Sprayway.
Ha? Ano yung braso? Oo.
TLC yun. TLC.
Yeah, fine. Georgina, wait. Yes. Jamie. Jamie.
Tumingin.
Tita Jamie.
Oh.
Saan ka ba? Pupo ka ba?
Mom, you can go here.
Port Dalhousie, ganito din.
Mukha nga, tinignan ko nga yung ano, ang ganda nung... Nice.
Dito, ang hirap din kumain kasi yung tapos ay yung kitchen.
Look, you like tennis rats, right?
Oh, grabe.
In 200 meters, turn right on Ball Street.
Kaso mahangin, no?
Grabe.
Why?
Na naman ako, napasobra na naman ako. Ano ito?
Tapos diniliman yung ano, yung falls. Walang color.
Ayun na yata yung last.
If you like our videos, please be sure to click the subscribe button below. Thank you.